Hello Daily Track viewer, welcome back to another videos. Today video we discuss about how to move that contacts, video and pictures. So I hope you useful video, so this don't skip the video and watch whole video so you can see how to transfer. And if you need this channel, please subscribe and hit like button. So let's go into the video. So make sure when you get the new phone, and so if you have iPhone, if you have old iPhone, you have already have all pictures, contacts and video, everything. So what you need to do, and make sure you know the iCloud username and password. If you know the password username, you can easily move to the another new phone. So you already know that. But the point is, so how this video I'm gonna teach you how to move the Apple phone to Android phone. So don't skip the video, keep watch. Okay, so I'm waiting for to open the phone. And so right now it's already factory reset. It's a brand new phone, already factory reset. I got a new phone. That's the phone name cost a20 Samsung. So I just got it recently, Metro PCS store. So wait a second, and the phone's is going to open right now. So I'm gonna teach you how to move that stuff. Okay, and just so like this one, they're asking for wireless and cable. So for example, wireless, and if you have a wireless Galaxy account, yes you can this one, but I don't want to do this one. I skip those. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi. Just stay please. So once you open the phone, if you transferring from Apple to if you're transferring from Apple phone, so what you need to do, open the smart switch and received from, and check the Apple. Skip that. You need to enter the Apple ID. So Apple ID, without Apple ID you can open it. So let me get that. So right now it's optimizing. Let me see if anything moved currently. I think I got a contact back. But I'm waiting for picture. I'm still not receiving picture. I don't want to show you the pictures, but you know, I'm just gonna be checking. It's a 1 minute. Take a little bit time because I got a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, and I got a lot of photos too. Contact, everything's moving, so it's take a little bit time, but say 1 minute. Let's wait how long it's take it. Come on. It's gonna be take a little bit time because I got a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, and I got a lot of photos too. Uh, contact, everything's moving, so it's take a little bit time, but say 1 minute. Let's see. Let's wait. How long is take it? Um, come on, come on. Okay, guys, I think it's already copied 135, 31 items. And go next, and go next. It's all set. I think it's already backed up. Contact, photos. I don't want to show that my personal stuff. Okay. All right. So it's already moved up. I hope you guys like it, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and support my channel. Please share with family and friends. It's if really useful this video. Thank you so much. I see you in another video. Bye bye.